Okay, let's see. You're wasting only 9.5 watts of power when you transmitted 32,400 volts on 2.3 ohm transmission lines. What is your transmitted power? Okay, let's see. Okay, so transmitted power is going to be I times V, right? And we know that this is 32,400 volts, right? But we don't know I and we don't know P, right? This is what we're trying to find. So, but we do know that the power lost is I squared R, right? So let's fill this in here. So 9.5 watts is how much we're wasting. And I squared. Okay, we can solve this for I, can't we? And then our resistance is 2.30 ohms, right? Okay, so we can use this to find I, plug it into there, we're good. I got it. I've got this. All right, so 9.5 divided by 2.3 is I squared, and then I'm going to square root that. And so my current is 2.032 amps. All right, so now let's plug that in. Okay, so our current is 2.032 amps, and we're using 32,400 volts. So amps times volts is watts. Watt? Okay, times. And I get that the power transmitted, which is the product of that, is 65,848 watts. Yeah! I have survived.